can't tell, we have a very simple wig today. The first step is to just get it on. So initially, it's not really tight off the bat. And like curl it away from my face. Let's trim it just a little bit. All right, guys, now I'm gonna take like a big tooth comb and just give it a little volume. And that's it, guys. That is it.